Okay, this is my speed test. This is the Marvin keyring from Thingiverse on a Prusa I3 Mk3 at 50% scaling, 0.1 detail, 210 degrees extruder, 60 degrees build plate, and the cheapest no-name PLA I could find on Amazon. I just wanted to know, does speed matter? Well, let's get this started. This little guy was printed at 50% speed. Let's put him on this, see if my camera will focus. Sorry about the camera, people. It's the best one Walmart would sell. There we go. I think he looks absolutely magnificent. This one's at 75%. Have a model for everybody. There we go. This one is at 100%. Starting to see some slight differences here, but not enough that would be accounted on by more than just cheap PLA. Here we have 150%. Hello, little Marvin. Oop, I said 150. That one is 125. This one's 150. Full disclosure, on such a small model, it's highly unlikely that it reached maximum acceleration. However, I did verify all of these. There was a corresponding decrease in print time. Now let's go ahead and take a look at 175 here. I fully expected on this detailed of a model at this size, 175 would fail. Pleasantly surprised. I was going to stop there, but it did so well that here's one at 200. That appears to be the maximum speed this one will do on this detailed of a model. There's definitely some distortion. You can see some layer issues down on the bottom, as well as a couple of threads that were not visible on any of the other models.